9 scientific ways to become positive and happy. Welcome to the video guys. I hope you will be fine. This video is for those people who want to be positive and happy in their life. To know the ways, you have to watch the full video. Let's get started. 1. Sound sleep. Guys, sleep has a very important role in your life. Enough amount of sleep is very essential for good health and general well-being. A study was conducted by the University of Basel on how sleep duration affected teenagers' academic achievements and positive outlook on life. Sleeping less than the recommended 8 hours showed signs of more tiredness and lower self-discipline. And it also showed they had a much less positive attitude. Enough sleep can help to improve mental health as well as protect against physical health issues. Sleep deficiency over time can lead to an increased risk of chronic health issues. It can affect how you think, react, and communicate with others. Guys, try to get a minimum of 8 hours. Choose a time for bed and stick to it. Don't exercise within 4 hours of your sleeping time. 2. Daily exercise. Guys, exercise is an essential part to keep maintaining your health. It is medically as well as a scientifically proven fact that exercise can help you to remain positive in your thinking as well as in your routine social matters. It releases feel-good endorphins into the brain. It does not really matter which form of exercise is undertaken as long as it involves medium exertion. A study has shown that the positive effect expectation level increases after exercise. It is also proven that exercise can reduce stress levels for up to 12 hours and can also greatly reduce the effects of depression. Everybody should complete at least 30 minutes per day of moderate exercise or physical activity, and this can consist of walking, jogging, or other exercise like push-ups, squats, etc. 3. Be grateful. It is actually an attitude to others, and magically it can offer us many benefits in health, satisfaction with life, and the way we relate to others. When we feel and express gratitude to others, it turns our mental focus towards the positive. It is this feeling that overrides the brain's natural focus of negativity in life, worries, or threats. It is gratitude that gives us feelings of contentment, love, and joy, which alleviates negative emotions such as anxiety. Embracing gratitude can create positive thought trains and allow us to behave in healthy, positive ways. Individuals who are always grateful are less likely to be envious, depressed, or lonely. 4. Meditation. Guys, meditation actually a kind of focus which has great effects on your health and positivity. It has been found that meditation can help you achieve a long-term positive outlook on life. A study has proven that mindfulness meditation can help shape a more positive self-concept. It helps to achieve the changes that allow us to be more positive. The concept behind its teachings is to not be judgmental, either positive or negative. The idea is just to be aware of the moment, so you become aware of touch, smell, and other sensations that bring you a happy feeling. All these feelings can carry over into daily life, where it allows us to see situations much more clearly. Just sit down, closing your eyes, and be aware of breathing in and breathing out. Should your mind wander, just push the focus back to your breathing. Just 20 minutes per day can give a relaxing positive effect. 5. Replace your thoughts. Replacing your negative thoughts with positive thoughts can give up to a 30% increase in your productivity, creativity, and energy levels. Barbara Fredrickson published a paper about the insight of positive thinking and the effects it has on your skills. It's also proven that positive thinking can reduce negative self-thoughts. This can lead to a reduction in the chance of depression. Guys, just substitute your negative words for positive when speaking and direct your thoughts positively. Believe that you will succeed and smile when talking to others. 6. Time management. For positivity, you have to manage your time. I mean to say that the indoor and outdoor time. because it is proven that spending too much time indoors can be bad for us, and venturing outside can offer many major health benefits. Sunlight releases a chemical called nitric acid into the bloodstream. This helps to combat high blood pressure, which also helps reduce the risk of heart disease. Being in touch with nature can help to improve mood and reduce the effects of stress. Research conducted by Nathaniel Mate showed the complete benefits of sunlight on the human body. Our body produces vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, a much higher amount than you can get from eating foods. A deficiency in vitamin D is associated with mental health as well as many physical illness. Just go for a 15 to 30-minute walk in nature if possible. The benefits from the sun will give your body a boost and improve your mood. 7. Join positive group of friends. Avoid negative and toxic people. It's proven that negative thinking rubs off, and associating with positive people will improve your positive state of mind. For this purpose, spend less time with negative people and more time with positive people. Avoid toxic people such as narcissists completely. They will ultimately affect your life negatively. 8. Healthy diet. A healthy diet can lead you to have a more positive outlook and not just about being healthy. If you eat the correct food, you can raise the levels of serotonin, and this acts as a mood stabilizer. Not only does it boost your mood, but it also promotes healthy sleeping patterns. A study has shown serotonin levels can affect mood and behavior with links to feeling good and chances of living longer. It pays to have an all-around healthy diet such as Mediterranean-style diet, which can provide all the nutrients and vitamins you need on a daily basis. 9. Favorite music. It is well-known saying, music is the food of your soul. Music can affect us emotionally, and although you can listen to music which can make you sad, you can also listen to music that can promote a happy mood. It's proven that listening to music can trigger the release of large amounts of dopamine into the brain. Dopamine is the body's feel-good chemical that can help reinforce positive thinking. There is also proof that music therapy is a useful alternative therapy for treating depression. Just choose your favorite one and enjoy it. It can help to release the endorphins, which increase your endurance and mood. This is it, guys. I hope you like the video. Please comment below if you have any question. Thanks.